Okay, so let's move on. So here I have written different questions. Was sind Sie von Beruf? This is the first one. Was sind Sie von Beruf? What are you by profession? It's a very basic question. If we ask somebody Beruf, profession. Was sind Sie von Beruf? Second, was machen Sie beruflich? This is the name of the chapter. This is the chapter title. Was machen Sie beruflich? Both means you are asking the profession. You are asking what is your job? What do you do professionally? You can use anyone. Either you can say was sind Sie von Beruf or was machen Sie beruflich. Alright, and how do we answer these two questions? Now we can write in 3 different ways. Okay, I'll talk about myself. Ich arbeite als Lehrer. Ich arbeite als Lehrer. Lehrer, teacher. Or ich bin Lehrer von Beruf. Mein Beruf ist Lehrer. All 3 correct. Meaning is same that I am saying I am teacher by profession. My profession is teaching or I work as a teacher. Ich arbeite als Lehrer means I work as a teacher. I am teacher by profession and my profession is teacher. All 3 correct. You can use any one of these, it's up to you. Okay, before we proceed, I will tell you, I hope you know that how to change the gender. We just write IN. Suppose I say Lehrer, so female is Lehrerin. Okay, Lehrer, and if I say female, so I just write Lehrerin. Okay, similarly, Arzt, doctor, Astin with umlaut. Okay, Grafiker, so IN, Grafikerin. Okay, IN. Tischler, painter, so we just put IN. Tischlerin, female painter. So we just write IN and the gender is changed. Like in doctor, we put also umlaut. Like Anwalt, advocate, so Anwältin, A umlaut plus IN. I'll write female advocate, okay, Anwältin.